Hello, this is Smiley teacher and I'm so glad to have you back. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about zero conditional. So, let's dive in. Look at this picture. If you hit glass, it breaks. Also, you can say, the glass breaks if you hit it. Why do we use zero conditional? We use it if something happens as a result something else happens. Or for instructions and advice. If you are sick, visit a doctor. We are talking about facts. Look at these examples. If people eat too much, they gain weight. If babies are hungry, they cry. Let's see how do we make it. If you hit glass, it breaks. This is called your if clause and this is called your main clause. Also, you can play with them. It means you can put your main clause at the beginning and then you can add if clause after that. If you put if clause after your main clause, you need to put if in the middle and do not use comma. But if you put if at the beginning, you must use comma in the middle. So for your if clause, you need if plus subject and present simple form of the verb. It's so easy. Also for your main clause, you need subject plus present simple. Let's look at more examples. If you hit water, it boils. Also, water boils if you hit it. She doesn't study. Negative form of present simple. If she doesn't study, she fails in exams. She fails in exams if she doesn't study. If you leave butter outside, it melts. Butter melts if you leave it outside. Fact. Let's practice. Please pause this video right now and try to fill in the gaps only with zero conditional. In the next slide, I'm going to show you the answer key. Do this exercise on your own and then check the answer key. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want it, you can find first, second, and also third conditional in my channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.